In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download shared files from Google Drive. This simple, step-by-step process will help you manage and download files shared with you seamlessly, ensuring you can access what you need, when you need it, with minimal hassle. So, whether you're downloading documents, photos, or any shared files, follow along and let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Google account. Now, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google Drive. If you have a direct link to the shared file, you can simply paste that link into your browser's URL bar. Otherwise, you can go to drive.google.com. Either way, access your Google Drive interface where you can see the files and folders currently shared with you. Once you're there, take a look at the navigation pane on the left side of the screen. It's your best friend here. Find and click on Shared with Me. This is where all the files and folders that other people have shared with you reside. This makes it incredibly convenient as you don't have to search through your drive aimlessly. After accessing Shared with Me, find the specific file that you wish to download. You can sort through the files by name, when they were shared, or use the search bar at the top to type in keywords, making it easier to locate exactly what you're looking for. Once you've pinpointed the file, all that's left to do is download it to your device. For the download step, right-click on the file you want, and you'll see a drop-down menu. Look for the option that says Download and give it a click. Alternatively, if you're more of a double-click enthusiast, you can open the file and locate the download icon, which usually looks like a downward arrow pointing to a horizontal line in the top right corner. Clicking this icon will also start the download. Most browsers will prompt you about where you want to save your file, so choose a location that makes sense. Perhaps your Downloads folder or a specific project folder if it's work-related. At this point, the download should start, and the file will be saved to your computer. Keep an eye on your download manager to make sure there aren't any hitches during the process. And there you have it. You've just learned how to download shared files from Google Drive. This straightforward process can be extremely helpful in managing your cloud-based files efficiently. If you work frequently with shared documents or collaborate on projects, mastering this can save you time and make your workflow far smoother. Remember, being organized with your files by keeping them in appropriate folders on your computer can drastically enhance your productivity and peace of mind. Thanks for following along, and happy downloading.